G'day and welcome to the nose and chin of the Ginger Cat Bookmark with Jenny Brandis from the Pattern a Month number 9 series of patterns. Having worked the DFU stitches above and around the nose, it is time to work the nose. Start at the right side pin with cloth stitch, pin, cloth stitch. Lay the right pair aside. Next we work the centre pin with cloth stitch pin, leaving the pin unclosed. This provides us with 2 pairs of neat passives. Back to the nose weaver pair. Cloth stitch through the 2 pairs from the centre pin and then the next pair to the left. Finally work the nose corner pin and laying aside the left pair. Cloth stitch to the next pin to the right, put up the pin and close it with cross, twist, cross. Add a twist to the outgoing pair and lay aside. Continuing cross stitch to the bottom nose pin. After working the cheek pins on either side, work the bobbin nose pin with cross stitch and pin. Leave the pin open for now. Hang the mouth gimp pair open on the bottom nose pin, laying them on the outside of the other 2 pairs from the pin. Lay the left gimp between the left bobbins. Lay the right gimp between the right bobbins. Pick up and place the centre bobbins over their respective gimps, thus locking them in place. Add a twist to each of the 3 pairs. Work the last top lip pins in DFU stitch before we do the mouth gimp. Take the left gimp and open encase it through the 3 pairs to the left. Open encase means to not twist the pair after adding the gimp. Lay the gimp out of the way while you work the leftmost pin in DFU stitch. Lift the gimp back between the pins and this time encase it in the next pair back towards the nose tip. Work the underpin to lock it in. Encase the gimp at the next pair and lay the gimp aside. Do not work the pin until the right side is worked. Repeat the gimp mouth on the right. Work the 3 chin pins in DFU stitch. Thank you for watching, and may your bobbins always dance.